Number 20. Thomas plays a number game after using a spinner with 4 congruent sections. The sections are labeled W, X, Y, and Z. In the game, a player receives a number of points represented by the expression in the section. So each of these sections, when you do out the calculations, represent a number of points. So section Z is 9, because 3 squared is 9. Section X, well, 2 times 3 is 6, and then 8 minus 6, that's 2. Well, you can calculate all of these. Basically, I've done it for you right about here. So, if you think about it, the square root of 5, well, that's almost or very close to the square root of 4. So you can figure that square root of 5 as just a little bit above the number 2, right? And 2 times 2 is about 4. This little sign means about or close to. It's an approximation. Approximately 4. As I said before, 8 minus 6 is 2. 3 squared is 9. And then you think about the square root of 2. Well, where does the square root of 2 happen? Between the square root of 1 and the square root of 4. Between those two. So it's a little more than 1, but almost 1. So I'm going to approximate the square root of 2 using 1. So 5 times 1 is 5 times the square root of 2 is approximately 5, because 5 times 1 is 5. So let's go to the first question. The first question says, during one game, Thomas needed 10 or more points to win. On his next spin, the arrow stopped on section Z. Did he receive enough points to win? Well, Z is equal to 3 squared, which is equal to 9. Since Z is equal to 9, Thomas did not score enough points to win, because he needed to score 10 points. And this is me showing my work and to justify my answer. Part B. Which is worth more points, section X or section Z? Show your work and justify your answer. From this, section X and section Z, I used these to approximate them, and I wrote in just their values. Section X is equal to 8 minus 2 times 3, which is 2, and section Z equals 3 squared, which equals 9. So, since 9 is greater than 2, then Z is greater than X, or section Z is greater than section X. Part C. Thomas believes section W and section Y are worth an equal number of points. Is Thomas correct? Explain your reasoning. Again, from that original little diagram they had up there, section W is equal to 2 times the square root of 5, which is approximately 4. And section Y is equal to 5 times the square root of 2, which is approximately 5. Since 4 is not equal to 5, section W is not equal to section Y. And that's number 20.